So guys, I just found a way to level up your Steam account in a matter of a minute. Now obviously the video won't be a minute because as I'm explaining this to you, times are wasting, so let's get started. So as you can see, I'm level 26, and before I did this method I was actually level 7 because all you're really doing is leveling up this badge that you're soon to get, and therefore it levels up your account. Now if you haven't already, in order to do this you need to join Steam's Grand Prix Summer Sale. If you haven't yet, pick a team. I picked Corgi because Corgi went ham today. Once you pick Corgi, you want to come down here and you should see the amount of points you have. Now the amount of points you get is based on the amount of achievements you already unlocked, and if you play a lot of TF2 like me, you should have a shit ton starting off. Once you see the amount of points you have, you want to come down here to boost up your team. Yes, once you get on this page, you see the amount of tokens you have. That's what you're going to use to get this badge down here, which should cost about around 10 tokens. Once you buy the badge, you should have these three options right here. You have level 1, 100 tokens. Well, 1 level, 5 levels, 500 tokens, 10 levels, 1000 tokens. Obviously, you're going to click 10 levels, 1000 tokens. Once you do that, you want to click redeem. And then there you go. You'll see that you have like this amount of balance after you purchase the 10 levels, 1000 tokens. And you just want to go back to your profile. And now as you can see, I'm level 29, and you should also be able to see that you have the badge right here. If this video helped you out, leave a like and share this with your friends. And that will be it for the video. Thank you for watching.